Okay, this is a functionality video for the mini keyboard. This is a lighted keyboard, and as you can see, if I press the directional pad up here, it will move around. If I use the pad up here, the mouse will move around. If I would like to turn off and on the lights, there's a light bulb. It's either on the F2 button or it could be on F6 depending on your keyboard, and you just press FN and that button to turn it off. To turn it back on, it is sometimes a 3-click procedure, sometimes it's a single click, it just depends on the keyboard, but again you would hold down that FN button and press it. If you would like to reboot the box, you press and hold FN and the Enter key, and that will do Control-Alt-Delete, which is written in the small blue text there. And if you would like to disable the mouse pad, you hold FN and press F8. And so now you can see that the mouse pad does not work anymore. The arrow buttons and everything else will still work, and the click will actually still work. So if I get it to a point and I press that, it's actually going to go to wherever the mouse was left and actually click that button. And then I can right click to return, but the pad will not function. To turn that back on, you press and hold function and then F8, and that will re-enable the mouse pad. So those are just a few of the basic functions. If you find that something is no longer working, such as the mouse pad, again, you would just hold FN and press F8 to do it. The left click, right click, and if you look at the writing or the pictures on here, left click is a single finger, right click is a 3-finger, and scroll up and down is 2 fingers. And that's pretty much it. So there's some shortcut buttons here. You can go to our website and go to the keyboards page. If you can't find it, you can do a search on the search bar at the top right-hand corner. Just type in keyboards and you can find all of the information there. All right, happy streamlining.